Okay, guys, it's Thursday lunchtime, 10th of June. Just a very quick video for Bitcoin. All right, so what I'm looking at is it has reached the top of our triangle, which is the wave E area. Okay, so now this is where normally should turn down. If it goes all the way down now, great. That means our triangle is perfectly in play. Only thing from a Elliott wave perspective is that we've done 5 perfect little waves up. And that, my friends, always follows with a 3-wave correction. Now, if we get to 35,000 area, it's just my guesstimate here. If we get to 35,000 area, if it turns up sharply again, breaks through this top of this triangle, then that's a bullish scenario. But as I've been saying for weeks now, I am still hoping, well, I'm still expecting a further drop down before we can start a bull trend. So the only thing worries me right now is this 5 waves up, which is a bullish signal, but that can also be an end of some sort of wave where we could start 5 waves down now and then carry on down again. So minimum requirement for this to be bullish would be for this to do a 3-wave move like that. Let's say 35,000-ish. And if you see it shoot up there, okay, then I think we're probably looking for another high. But I am still worried. I have shorted it again. I know I'm going against all the rules, but I really believe that we are still doing this triangle. All right, but that's just my gut feeling. If I counter 5 waves like this, that gives me other scenario, which is this one. So let's just see what happens now at 35,000. Only after that we'll know if it breaks right through or carries on up again. Okay, so those are your 2 scenarios. Thank you.